step I want to talk about on maintaining your beard is you want your beard not to grow down your neck. Having a neck beard is not sexy at all. So here's my rule of thumb. As you can see, my beard and my hair on my neck are growing together. My rule of thumb is 2 fingers. Right above the Adam's apple, here's my Adam's apple. 2 fingers right there. Everything above stays with the beard, everything below comes off. Now, there have been a couple guys tell you that if you do like the L and you put it right up against your ear and your chin, and anything below the thumb is what you want to come off. That is pretty much the same thing that I do. With that, I am going to shave all of this for you. So the second thing I do to actually get it looking really nice is I will get my comb, and what I do is to get everything up on my cheek, you want this kind of nice and clean. So what I do is I go from the top of the ear down to the corner of the mouth. Corner of the mouth, top of the ear. Now I'm not saying grab all of this off because that is your sideburn. That's your sideburn. You might want to keep that. But everything on your cheek, top of the ear, corner of the mouth. Everything in here will have to come off. So then I just swipe. Corner of the mouth, top of the ear, and it comes off. And I kind of clean it up just like that. So, just like that. Corner of the mouth, ear, everything above it comes off. So you can kind of see in here, it's a little scruffy. Do the same thing. Top of the ear, corner of the mouth. And it comes off. Just kind of cleans up that cheek portion of your ear, or of your ear. It cleans up that cheek portion of your face. So it makes it a nice, clean line. Now, if you're not comfortable doing this, you can always go to a barber and they will do it for you. When I get my beard trimmed, I will actually go to a professional barber and have them trim it, and they actually take care of those lines and underneath as well. The next thing I do is I will go in and take a shower and wash my beard with my shampoo and my conditioner. So let's hop in. So after you've finished your shower and washing your beard, we are going to use a beard oil. So this is going to help soften your follicles when you're trying to grow that nice beard, and it's going to actually keep your face kind of moisturized. Beard oil, and you don't need much of this. You only need like a couple drops. That's all you need, because what you're going to do is you're just going to rub it into that skin, and there's follicles, and it's just going to make that itch go away, and it's fantastic. Again, I will have a link to all of my products down below, so definitely check that out. Next one is you're definitely going to go ahead and use my beard balm. And again, you do not need a whole lot, just a little bit, probably about that much. And you want to, it kind of comes out to like a paste, But once you start rubbing this in, it actually becomes a liquid. So, and then you're just gonna add that to your beard, just like that. And this actually helps stylize. You can actually stylize your beard with this because it's a little bit thicker than the oil. So you can it kind of goes like a gel type thing. It's not a gel, but you can definitely stylize your beard with this product. The last thing I will do is use my beard brush. Like I said before, this is great for training your new beard to come in and training it how to grow in the direction you want it to grow. What this also does is, since you have all that product in your beard, again, not a whole lot of product, but you do have your product in your beard, this is going to help even out that product. But yeah, that is how you grow a healthy beard and you help stylize it. So if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. I do greatly appreciate this. Make sure you check out that link for the beard products below. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and that little bell to notify you when I post more videos like this. So with that, I am off. Hopefully you guys enjoy your day, and we will talk to you guys later.